This video covers Color Finale 2's LUT management system. Whether you use LUTs or not, there are thousands available and you probably have them on your computer already. A common misconception is that people who use LUTs do so because they're not able to color grade. This isn't correct. Many top colorists use LUTs as the starting point of their grade, on top of which they then layer additional secondary color grading layers. Equally, editors use LUTs to get a specific color look quickly, and this workflow is just as effective. So LUTs are valuable whether you can grade or not. Color Finale 2 has the most sophisticated LUT management system available for Final Cut Pro 10. It allows users to quickly find all the LUTs on their computer, to load single or combined LUTs, to modify LUTs they've created, and to export LUTs to other systems. So let's take a closer look at Color Finale 2's LUT management system. Before applying LUTs to your content, it's important to correctly adjust the exposure and white balance first, otherwise the LUT won't produce the desired look. Color Finale 2 uses semi-automatic tools for white balancing, including X-Rite charts, an auto white balance tool, and a color picker tool. Here we're using the auto white balance tool. The exposure control emulates a camera's control, so this should be familiar to most people. For log material, as we have here, we need to first convert it to video space so that the LUT works correctly. There are several ways to do this in Color Finale 2, but for this example we'll use the Assume Log tool, which gives us a good default conversion. In Color Finale 2, it's possible to create your own LUTs using the Assume Log tool combined with basic color correction. It's also possible to combine two or more LUTs together to produce new creative looks using the various blend modes available in Color Finale 2. Color Finale 2 offers the ability to adjust LUTs using the Curves function to alter the contrast or saturation in different colored tonal zones. Once you've finished creating a new look, using the range of advanced color grading tools in Color Finale 2, it's possible to export the entire color grade as a LUT in a variety of resolutions suitable for displays or other grading systems. Color Finale 2 offers a real-time Lut Preview of the current frame or a predefined frame. LUTs on your computer can be found searching by name, by keyword, or by metadata. Color Finale 2 can completely manage all of your LUTs for you. Simply specify the location on your computer where your LUTs can be found, and Color Finale 2 can import them and pre-process them for faster loading. If you need to move a project to another system, by using the Reveal Project LUTs command, Color Finale 2 will list all the LUTs used in the current timeline. That concludes the Color Finale 2 LUT management overview. Thanks for watching.